What's up, guys? It's Chuck. Today, I'm excited because today is the day we've been waiting for. FL2K is this weekend. This is going to be a massive race. The 2JZ Invitational, the most badass 2JZ cars in the country, will all be here this weekend in Bradenton. We just got the call that the weather's okay. The car just got off the dyno yesterday. BOOGER V3 is ready, and she is better than ever. They maxed out the dyno at 2,000 horsepower yesterday with plenty of room left, plenty of boost left, plenty of nitrous left. The thing is a bad, bad mama. So we are going there right now to Bradenton to test with Victor and the guys from Induction Performance. Alpha's going to be tuning the car. Tonight we're testing. We are coming for that bag this weekend at FL2K. So everybody better be on notice. Hopefully testing goes perfectly tonight. Smooth. Hopefully if anything needs to be worked out, it gets worked out now. I know it's very last minute for this big of a race. Big payout. $10,000 payout. Plus maybe we get some grudge races in too. So let's go see what's going on. Got a bag packed. Off to Bradenton right now. always doing that John Force burnout. Let's go. Pedaled that shit and left, boy.
Hey, we need a golf cart to go get him and a push bar.
Woo!
Go get him.
Pedaled the wheelie and it left, boys. We were gonna have a good weekend. Well, when Vic did that to the moon wheelie, car came down really hard, bolt went through the oil pan from the subframe, so put a new oil pan on it tomorrow and we'll be good to go. No big deal, it's racing. Well, next day we're back at the shop south. Testing I think went pretty well, so that's the first time the car has been run at the track or in general for that matter since all the new systems, the new just everything's been added to the car. So that being said, we got some really good data. We realized that the car is at a weight balance of 50-50 front to rear, which is why it keeps wheeling. So we've added some weight to the front. The guys at Induction Performance added some weight over the last 24 hours to the front end, hopefully keep that thing down. And I'm sure they've made some chassis adjustments on that rear end and the front suspension. I think they took some travel out of the front to keep it down on the ground. But we're hoping for world record this weekend. We are getting ready right now. As you can see, we are packing up. We got everything we're gonna need. We're bringing Ruckus, the cooler scooters. We're bringing everything we're gonna need for the whole week. We're leaving today. It's Thursday, and we are not coming back until Sunday night or Monday. So it's going to be an amazing time. FL2K is always so much fun. This year is going to be the biggest and baddest one ever by far. They have sold 3 times as many pre-sale tickets as they ever sold before. So this is going to be amazing. We have a lot of good friends coming out from all over the country. There's going to be some really, really badass cars. Super pumped, really hyped. The boys are ready to go. We're getting the crew back together, and we are coming to win with Booger, the 2JZ Invitational. Please stay tuned. Please like this video and subscribe below, because I'm going to be posting FL2K recaps the day after it happens. So today's video we posted Saturday. Saturday's on Sunday. Sunday's on Monday. So you will, if you cannot make it to FL2K, if you follow this page, you will get a full 20-minute video of the recap of every day the next day after it happened. You're not going to have to wait a week. We're going to really ramp this up, and we're going to post the videos consistently for FL2K coverage. It's going to be awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the little bell next to it. You'll get notified as soon as the FL2K videos post. There's going to be a lot of amazing racing you don't want to miss. Thank you, guys.